So, hi, I want to show you how to attach the landing gear to the Hubson Zino Mini SE, and the same is for Hubson Zino Mini Pro. So the landing gear has to be attached in this way. You see that this one is the back, and it fits to the camera of the, no, it's not the camera, it's anything of the sensors, and the two notches have to fit into the two holes of the screw. So you take it and slip it into the back under this sensor. Show it once more. So this one, take it and slip it there. Then you have to attach these two notches on the side and put these notches into the holes of the screws. And now everything is fine. Landing gear is attached. So that was all. Wish you fun.